How to fix Swann Security app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the Swann Security app is not working. The first thing you want to check is if your application is fully updated. For that, you want to launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Swann Security. Here, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that. Once the application has been updated, the glitches and bugs will be fixed. Now open the Swann Security app and check if your issue has been resolved. If it is still not resolved, open up your settings. Scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now, a list of all the apps installed on your device will be displayed. You want to scroll down and find the application of Swann Security. Here, tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all the application's data. After that, log into your account again and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, uninstall the application. Once it has been uninstalled, you want to open Play Store or App Store and reinstall the app on your device again. After the reinstallation, all the problems of the application will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.